What is a requirement? The requirements are one of the most critical aspects of software product management. Now, if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Dejan, and I've worked as a product owner and Scrum Master with many software projects in the past, and I've studied a broad range of techniques related to this field. So let's cover this definition. Requirements are important. They help us to clearly define client needs, detect bugs early before they become expensive to fix, and ultimately ensure that the product you are developing meets the needs of your clients, which can be used to help create a real-world product. And now we will talk about what a requirement is and the activities involved in dealing with requirements. You're probably aware of how end users are these days. They are becoming more demanding, and products are becoming more sophisticated. So to make sure to get the right product and have the product done right, you need to make sure you start with good requirements. And there are a variety of definitions out there. Some are technical, some are not. So we already know that requirements are specific description of your client needs, and that they can take many forms. They can be done well and not so well. The key to product success, how well your requirements are defined and refined, can dramatically impact your potential for success. Getting your requirements right starts with knowing the proper activities to discover them, as well as the proper forms of well-written requirement. By the end of this course, you will know how to carry out the activities required to make a good requirement and to know how to recognize when requirements can be improved. So, how do you make sure that your requirements are done well? Well, with practice, of course. Practicing requirements activities are a good place to start. But you have to remember that activities are associated with phases in your product development. The requirements activities are the ones associated with the specification phase. It is usually the earliest phase in the process because it's the stage where you define what your product will do and how it will do it.